Alright, hold still now. This might sting a little bit. Whoa! Careful! I was almost about to sting you more. Alright. Here, now, let me just. Here. This'll help you. Okay. Now, all that's left are the bandages. Right here. I can't believe the peacekeepers did quite a number on you. To one of my great master detectives. Ugh, this is completely unacceptable. Hey, I don't care that you haven't broken any bones. All I care about is that the peacekeepers got their mitts on you. If they ever do that again, they've got another thing coming. Oh, here it comes again. When I'm this angry, my list comes out. Don't laugh at me. You're right. You're right. You're right. I just need to calm down. Sheesh. It's a good thing Halara and Detsahiko came to save you before things got worse. It'd be one thing if it was any other citizen in Kanai Ward. But if it's any of my master detectives, hell, especially you, that's something I'll never get over. What do you mean, why? Well, because you've been sent here to help protect this town too. To save this city. And there's nothing more painful than not being there for those who need help, for those that need safety and protection, even those who are very, very important to you. Hell, the most important people in your life. What? Huh? Oh, nothing. I just trailed off, I guess. Hey, what's wrong? Why are you staring at the ground like that? Are you still hurt, or is there something on your mind? Am I mad at you? Huh? Mad at you about what? For causing trouble? For getting into a fight with the peacekeepers? Hey, what are you talking about? If you ask me if I'm mad at you for getting yourself hurt, I'm not. It's not like you were trying to look for trouble like Yuma and the other detectives. Out of all of them, you're actually the most cautious, responsible, selfless, and well prepared of them all. Huh? That's not it? So then, what is it? Hey, look at me. Whatever's on your mind, you can tell me. I am your chief, and it's my job to watch over and take care of all my detectives. So if there's any problem you have, anything that's weighing you down, you can tell me. I promise I will help you however I can. You don't think you're a great detective? Not a great person? Hey, here. Take these. Now, wipe your eyes and let me sit next to you for a minute. Okay. Now then, I don't know how those thoughts came into your head, but I'm gonna make sure this doesn't happen again. Well, it seems your body isn't the only thing that needs some patching up. Not just that, but also your mentality, which I have no problem with. Now, didn't you hear what I said before? I can't stand those who are important to me to be in pain. And you master detectives are all here to help me protect this city. Our city. And out of everyone, you're way more capable than any of the other detectives. You're much different in my eyes than the others. That's the point I'm trying to make. Is that I care so very deeply about you. And not just as a detective, but as a person. You make better, smarter choices than the rest. They're a bit more careless. And that's something I could not be more proud of. Someone like you, being in my agency, is something I'm most grateful for. Honestly, I figured you were like Yuma. But no, you're not at all. Hey, I may not look like it, but I'm serious. More serious than I should be. And when I say I'm your chief, I'm your chief. I was born to be a heroic detective like you. Even if I'm not one, even if I don't have a specific forte like any of you, I still wish to help people however I can. But dropping all of the detective stuff, let's focus on you. What makes you think you're so bad? Uh-huh. I see. I could see why you think that. But hey, I guess someone has forgotten all of the great things they've accomplished. How much they've grown. Yes, of course I'm referring to you. And if you need help remembering, then I have no problem doing so. So, actually, Yuma and the others have reported some information to me. Information about you. About how, whenever someone has a problem, you help them. Whenever even if it's any of my master detectives, even if they're sad, you always cheer them up. You've solved many cases, took down many bad guys, and even make sure to do as you are told. Like getting meat buns, for example. Even when we don't ask you for them. I'll never forget the day you brought that meat bun to me when I was upset. I was very, very, very proud of you. But I just didn't know how to express it enough. Or I just didn't know how to at the time. And so that's why I'm so happy that you're here with us. That you're in my agency. I couldn't be happier. You deserve so much. You're smart, you're kind, you're very dependable. honest, hell, even good looking. Like, I bet tons of people would want to go out with you, just like I have. Anyway, yeah, it's true. I mean it. Every word. You're an awesome detective and an amazing hero. Honestly, I need to step up my game so that I could be more like you. Huh? Hey, what's that growing on your face? Is that a smile I see? Ah, well, I'm glad I could help you. I told you, I got you. I'm always here when you need me. Even if I'm gone, I'll always be here. I believe in you. You're a great master detective through and through. And you are also the hope that I have been waiting for. The hero that I've always wanted to be. Now, come here. There we go. I figured you needed one of these. Now, no more crying, okay? No more doubting yourself. You know who you are. You're so much more than who you think you are. Far better than anyone that you could ever possibly imagine. Someone better than all of the peacekeepers and Yomi Hellsmile. All of those bad people combined. All of those so-called powerful people. You are far better than any of them. Alright. Good enough hug? Okay. Now then, why don't you lay down, get some rest, and then we'll do something fun tomorrow. Just you and me. I'm serious. Look, I saved up just enough for a dinner for two. I actually wanted one with you for quite some time. Just to hang out is all. If you're okay with it, that is. Yeah. I would love that too. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you, my detective. You did well.